So hey, this is Chris with Excellent Home Inspections here. I'm on a roof and I'm looking here, obviously we've got a little maintenance delay here, so we definitely want to get these cleaned out so that we can get the water flowing through these gutters. What can happen is water can come up back here and rot out this fascia board. Plus we don't want water up against the foundation, so we definitely want to get that taken care of. Then we're looking over here at this roof here. This is a flat roof. This shingle is not designed for that purpose, and so that definitely needs to be taken care of. Now let's look at this this fireplace, this chimney here. Yeah, it's not in good shape. Obviously we can see here this one right here is falling apart. It's falling apart here, so all kinds of issues with this. We've got a big old hole right here where water's getting in. I don't know if you can see that, but we got water getting in there. That's not good. So there's all kinds of roof problems. The roof shingles look really good, nice and new, but we got all kinds of issues up here on the roof. It would have been nice whenever they redid this roof if they had put in, it's kind of a little bit soft here. Yeah, that's not good. So definitely would have liked to seen them put in a saddle flashing, also called a Cricket. Unfortunately they did not. Lots of expensive things to fix up here on the roof. If you have a question, give me a call, 812-371-9182. Check me out at greathomeinspector.net.